Team highlight: Collin Lee, Superintendent, Water Management Master, Grill King, and Fishing Legend. When it comes to getting the job done right, fast, and under control, Collin Lee is the name behind success. A dedicated superintendent of 3 field crews at Utility Asset Management, Collin's been with the company 7 years, quietly solving big problems with grace and unmatched expertise. Self-taught and driven, Collin pioneered a custom spray technique for pipes 42 inches and larger, turning 3-week jobs into 1-week successes. His innovation has saved time and reduced costs. Every day, Collin juggles the logistics, challenges, and coordination of 3 active field crews, keeping operations running smoothly, safely, and efficiently. What truly sets Collin apart is his role as Utility Asset Management's water management and leak master. When there's a leak that no one else can figure out how to control for repair, Collin always figures it out. Without proper water control, pipe and rehabilitation simply can't happen, and Collin's problem-solving instincts are second to none. His precision and leadership have become the backbone of countless successful projects. With Collin on the job, we can always rest easy knowing the crews are in capable hands. And when the hard work is done, Collin knows how to unwind. True fisherman at heart, you'll often find him out on the water chasing the perfect catch. At company picnics, he is the grill master, serving up just as much flavor as he brings to the field. We're proud to have Superintendent Collin Lee as part of the Utility Asset Management family. We appreciate you, Collin. Thank you for all your hard work.